We've got the car completely cleared off, as you can see, all the way around. But people, check this out. We can see a BMS. Our beautiful BMS, people. Let's take a walk around our BMS. You're gonna see our plow. It's deeply buried, but easy to get out. Walk around the BMS. And as you can see, we're clear all the way around this too. We did this today. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. But people, this to the shed is all cleared. And this is what I did with the trash cans. Look at that, people. So as you can see, our beautiful blustery winter day is gonna start snowing once again. Rock on, people.